Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get an older version of the Facebook Messenger app. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is uninstall the current version of Facebook Messenger from your device. Once that's done, open Google or any browser on your phone and type Facebook Messenger APK. Scroll down through the results and look for the website called APK Mirror. Click on it. Now, once you're on the APK Mirror page, scroll down and you'll see a list of all available versions of the app. You can also see the update dates next to each version. Click on See More Uploads if you want to browse even more versions. When you find the version you want, tap on it. Scroll down again and select the variant that matches your phone's specs. Usually, the site gives hints like screen, DPI, or architecture. Tap on the variant you need. Now scroll down and click on Download APK. A pop-up might appear. Just click Download anyway. The APK file will now start downloading to your phone. Once the download is complete, tap on it and install it. That's it. You can now start using the older version of Facebook Messenger on your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.